standards but doesn't behave accordingly. They are called hypocrites. Okay. Yes, Anuja, you were giving the answer. Have you written, Anuja? Meaning I told you. Okay. Now hypocrites ka antonym means opposite and synonym. So Anuja, तुम्हें क्या लगता है?
मैम पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच कौन सी है?
Part of speech, it is a noun. Part of speech, it is a noun. Yes. Anuja, अब hypocrite, you know कि वो person बताता है ऐसा होना चाहिए but doesn't behave accordingly. Okay. तो अब इसका synonym क्या हो सकता है? Means synonym, similar क्या हो सकता है? किसी को धोखा देना, it means, है ना? किसी को धोखा देना, you can say hypocrites जैसे deceitful. Write down deceitful. Its synonym will be deceitful. D-E-C-E-I-T, deceitful.
मैम pretender भी हो सकता है.
यस मैम.
Okay. Deceitful.
मैम बोर्ड नहीं दिख रहा है.
D-E-C-E-I-T-F-U-L, deceitful. Yes, Anuja. Now Anuja, antonym, opposite. Bhavna, have raised your hand. Yes, Bhavna.
मैम antonym honest. मैम kind.
Honest kind तो नहीं हो सकता. देखो बेटा, honest का तो dishonest हो जाएगा. Exact अगर देखा जाए. Okay. Kind, cruel का opposite है. ठीक है. Now, hypocrite का opposite क्या होगा? Bhavna, you have raised your hand. Yes, Bhavna. Bhavna. ओके अनुजा, आप बताओ, आपकी टर्न. अनुजा फिर आपको सेंटेंस भी लिसन टेंस भी क्रिएट करना है. ओके, राइट डाउन. टर्निंग फोर्थ राइट, O-R-T-H R-I-G-H. Fourth right means मन में कोई कपट निष्कपट जिसको हम बोलते हैं, they are called fourth right. Okay, F-O-R-T, fourth right. Now meaning is clear. A person who pretends to have moral standards but doesn't behave accordingly. It is a noun. Noun is cheat, धोखा देने वाला. And John is fourth right, निष्कपट, without. Okay. Now sentence क्या हो सकता है बेटा? अनुजा.
Then she is a hypocrite.
She is a hypocrite person. Okay, she is a hypocrite girl. Write down. Sentences you will write yourself. Okay. जो भी आप sentence लिखोगे, it should convey the proper meaning. Write down. Okay. My neighbor is a hypocrite. Write down. My neighbor is a hypocrite. मेरे neighbor एक hypocrite है. As
we write our own sentence.
Yes, you can write your own sentence. Okay. I'm telling you, my neighbor is a hypocrite as he believes in development. Okay, but doesn't want working of women in the country. Okay, मेरे neighbor के एक hypocrite है, वो बोलते हैं कि development होनी चाहिए, but खुद वो चाहता है कि women's जो वो job ना करें, women's काम ना करें. My neighbor is a hypocrite as My neighbor is a hypocrite as he believes, B-E-L-I-E-V-E-S, as he believes in development. My neighbor is a hypocrite as he believes. मैं 3 times बोलूँगी. Speed रखो अपनी. Maintain your pace. My neighbor is a hypocrite as he believes in development, but doesn't want working of women in the country. Okay. Now second, Kritik. Okay, Kritik. Wait a minute, Kritik. Arpan 1183. Arpan 1183. Second word is very easy. Fantastic. Arpan 1183. सेकंड वन बेटा फैंटास्टिक। यस, फैंटास्टिक क्या मतलब होता है फैंटास्टिक का? एंटोनिम एंड सिनोनिम। मीनिंग बताओ पहले, क्या होता है फैंटास्टिक?
मैम फैंटास्टिक
फैंटास्टिक वाओ, फैंटास्टिक बहुत अच्छा। क्या होता है फैंटास्टिक?
मैम फैंटास्टिक
गुड हम बोलते हैं, गुड, इट इज गुड, अच्छा। लेकिन जो बोलते हैं इट इज फैंटास्टिक मीन्स एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी गुड। ओके, राइट डाउन एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरली गुड। क्योंकि हम गुड तो हम बोलते हैं, लेकिन हम फैंटास्टिक बोलते हैं मीन्स वो गुड से ज्यादा है, एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी। EXTRAORDINARY, एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी। EXTRAORDINARY, extraordinarily good. That is called fantastic. Good or attractive, you can also say. Okay, extraordinarily good or attractive. Very good, Srishti. Book is visible. Akshit, good. Yes, Yamini. Extraordinarily good. Now, yes, Arpan, what can be its antonym or synonym? अब देखो fantastic
मैम
means
पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच कौन सी है मैम? नाउन है?
अभी फैंटास्टिक क्या बता रहा है आपको? एक विशेषता बता रहा है कि बहुत अच्छी, एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी गुड है, मींस ये एडजेक्टिव है। एडजेक्टिव्स, राइट डाउन एडजेक्टिव्स, इट इज एडजेक्टिव। नाउ अर्पण, व्हाट कैन बी इट्स एंटोनिम? ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? फैंटास्टिक तो वो बहुत बढ़िया, तो इसका ऑपोजिट क्या होगा?
मैम बैड
नॉर्मल है, नॉर्मल। Okay, normal. And synonym? Synonym?
मैम मार्वेलस
Yes, you can write marvelous. Okay, marvelous. वैसे हम शाबाश को बोलते हैं marvelous. Okay. Right now, attractive. Attractive. ATTRACTIVE, attractive. Okay. Now, sentence बताओ अर्पण. अर्पण.
मैम Anshul has done a fantastic paper.
Okay, she has done a fantastic job. Her choice in clothes is fantastic. Okay, her choice in clothes is fantastic. She has done a fantastic job. Anything you can write. Okay. Third, lovely 1032.
Yes, ma'am.
Lovely. Yes, lovely. What
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
next word? What is the next word?
Medieval.
Medieval. Medieval क्या होता है बेटा? Medieval आपने social में you must have heard about medieval. So the medieval period of the history is divided into 3 parts. होता है ना? Past, medieval और present, I think. तो medieval क्या होता है? देखो आप हिस्ट्री में you must have read this thing. आपने पढ़ा है कि medieval period में what the developments, ये था ना आपके social में होता है ये medieval. तो क्या होता है medieval? Means something related with the Middle Ages. जो something जो बीच की related with middle, जो हमारी history, James Mill has divided our history into 3 parts. You know this thing. तो medieval लिखो, something that is related with Middle Ages.
मैम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं connected with period in history between the Middle Ages.
हाँ, तो आप write down something. Devansh Sani, write down something that is related with Middle Ages. Something that is related to Middle Ages. Okay. Now, lovely. अब इसका मुझे बताओ एंटोनिम और सिनोनिम क्या होगा? एडजेक्टिव है. It is an adjective.
मैम एक और बार मैम रिपीट कर दोगे? मैम सेंटेंस.
Okay. It was not a sentence. It was its meaning. Meaning बताया आपको मैंने. Medieval means something that is related with Middle Ages. That is related to Middle Ages. That is called medieval. Okay, जो middle से related है वो medieval हो गया. Now, Arpan, sorry, lovely. इसका सिनोनिम क्या होगा बेटा? Primitive. Write down primitive.
Primitive.
Primitive. Primitive. और एंटोनिम तुम लिख दो मॉडर्न. Antonym modern. Okay. Now lovely frame it sentence. Sentence बनाओ.
Ma'am, please
Right.
be a little
What is
precise.
antonym?
बेटा antonym is modern, synonym is primitive.
Part of speech.
It is an adjective. It is an adjective. Okay, lovely. This is favorite sentence. Write down kings and kings.
Medieval.
Medieval.
Ma'am, can I?
Medieval
Ma'am,
bands are held in the castle once a month.
Okay. Make a simple sentence. A simple sentence can be kings.
can I? Ma'am, can
Yes. Okay, bolo.
Ma'am, we have medieval period in history. Ma'am,
Okay.
can I? Ma'am, this picture is related to medieval period.
Okay, you can write this building is related to medieval period, or you can also write kings in medieval period were very cruel. Okay, kings in medieval period were very cruel. Okay, now beta, come to page number 5. Okay, simple sentence.
मैम सेंटेंस रिपीट करना.
Okay, kings of medieval period were very cruel. Kings of medieval period were very cruel. Abhimanyu 2613, Abhinav roll number 37, and Aditya 1072. Keep your cameras on. Now, say next page, page number 5. Simple and compound sentences. Okay. Okay. ये तुम्हें आगे समझिए. I have explained it quite well. Page number 6. Come to page number 6. Page number 6. First question. Ayush Parmar, beta, read out. First question.
Yes, ma'am. Why did the principal feel the Westerkropf's arrangement was absurd?
Absurd. Okay. Why did the principal feel that Westerkopf's argument was absurd? Okay. क्यों principal को? Why did this thing was felt by principal? Ayush Parmar. Why this thing was felt by principal that the Westerkopf demands is absurd? Means क्या बेहूदगी है, क्या गलत बात है? Okay. तो क्यों principal को ऐसे क्यों लगा? Yes, Ayush. क्यों उसको आर्गुमेंट वो एब्सर्ड लगा?
Ma'am, can we write?
Yes, start writing. Ayush Parmar, write down. The principal thought that Westerkopf argument was absurd because क्यों लगा? आयुष आप खुद बताओ थोड़ा सा. क्यों लगा प्रिंसिपल को? क्या तो बहुत बेहूदगी, क्या इसका ये आइडिया आर्गुमेंट है, वो क्यों उसको अजीब लगा? Yes, Ayush. Ayush Parmar. Divyanshi Kashyap. One,
Yes,
two,
ma'am.
one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, he thought, ma'am, he
Hmm.
had never heard of anything of like this before. So he thought this was.
Very good, because no one had ever. अभी इसको लिखना है मत. Okay, I will send. अभी nobody will write. We will just discuss. Okay, अभी don't write. We will just discuss. We are just discussing. Okay, as Ayushi, this Divyanshi has said, her answer is correct. Okay, but I want to ask from Akshay Chaudhary also. Akshay Chaudhary, 2133. Question number first. Akshay Chaudhary, 2133. Akshay Chaudhary. Akshay Chaudhary.
Can I?
Wait a minute. Let Akshay Chaudhary explain. Akshay Chaudhary will tell. Okay, Akshay. Devansh Saini will tell. Devansh Saini. Yes, Devansh first. Yes, your answer was correct, Devanshi. Okay, don't think this thing. Devansh, you tell me answer of question number first.
Yes, ma'am. Answer question number first.
First of all, read the question.
Yes, ma'am. Why did the people feel that
Vesakov.
Vesakov argument was assist?
Read this question once again. दोबारा read करो इसको.
Why did the principal feel that Vesakov argument was
Absurd. Absurd. Why did the principal feel Vesakov's argument was absurd? Yes, Devansh Saini. This answer. Devansh.
idea of fund and the idea of fund of tuition, the idea of the fund of tuition we feel as your
Absurd.
principal is due to the principal.
देखो बेटा, the principal thought that Vesakov's argument was absurd because no one had ever come to school, okay, ever come back to the school and asked for a refund of tuition fees. क्योंकि कोई भी इससे पहले आया नहीं था, तो उसको ये बहुत ही उसका आइडिया जो weird लगा, अजीब से लगा, बुरा लगा. Okay, Devansh, with Devansh, this part Kaistha is sitting. Yes, part Kaistha.
Part Kaistha. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, part Kaistha. Second question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what does the physics teacher explain about the knowledge of a student over a period of time?
But listen, it is good that you are wearing mask, but maintain social distance. और थोड़ा सा आगे होकर जरा मास्क हटाकर बोलो, मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दिया.
Yes, ma'am.
Why does the read the question? Why does the
physics teacher explain about the knowledge of a student they retain over a period of time? तब इसका आंसर होगा in the law of conservation of energy. Forgot his knowledge in the period of learn.
Okay, who is sitting? This Abhishek 2076. उससे ask him. 2076 Abhishek.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Abhishek, you tell its answer.
3 questions.
Question number second.
Ma'am, the physics is the
Nothing is audible. I don't know why it is happening, but you are not audible to me.
Please explain the question.
Yes, Yamini Sharma.
Please explain the question once again.
Okay, why does the physics teacher explain? What does the physics teacher explain about the knowledge a student may retain over a period of time? Okay, physics teacher ने क्या कहा था? What did he say? कि एक बच्चा जो है, एक student जो है, वो जो उसने knowledge gain की है, वो कितने time तक अपने पास रख सकता है? According in his mind, वो कितने time तक उसको retain कर सकता है, maintain कर सकता है? Okay, this is the question. So according to its आंसर विल बी अकॉर्डिंग टू द फिजिक्स टीचर. ओके, फिजिक्स टीचर ने क्या बोला, that any the law of conservation of energy proves that any pupil, कोई बच्चा would lose in any given period time, एक पीरियड टाइम में वो भूल जाएगा. एक फिजिक्स टीचर ने ये बोला कि एक पीरियड के टाइम वो बच्चा भूल जाएगा जो नॉलेज उसने गेन की थी. ये उन्होंने जो घुमा फिरा के दे आस्क द क्वेश्चन, इट्स आंसर इज एनी पीपल वुड loss in any given period as much knowledge as he acquired from his teacher. Means एक बच्चा एक गिवन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के बाद, एक टाइम का स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम के बाद वो जो उसने गेन किया वो उसको भूल जाएगा, उसको लॉस कर देगा. जो फिजिक्स टीचर ने बोला था एंड ही गेव द रॉन्ग आंसर, बट फिजिक्स टीचर ने उसको ओवरलैप किया. फिजिक्स टीचर ने क्या बोला कि एनी पीपल वुड lose the knowledge in any given or period of time which he has acquired from the teacher. Means उसने अपने टीचर से जो नॉलेज गेन की है एक टाइम के बाद वो नॉलेज उससे खत्म हो जाएगी, वो नॉलेज वो भूल जाएगा बच्चा. ओके, दिस वाज द क्वेश्चन. अक्षित, ओके वेट अ मिनट. महक 981 थर्ड क्वेश्चन.
Yes, ma'am. And that mathematics teacher gave for conducting the exam.
Okay, list the reason that the mathematics teacher gave for conducting the re-examination. Now, a re-examination, you know, this thing Vesikov asked for re-examination. He wanted to be re-examined once again. And then mathematics teacher ne kya the reason diya that they should conduct re-examination? Kya reason the uske? But what the reason, Mehak?
Ma'am, the reasons that the mathematics teacher gave for conducting the re-examination are that he pursued advanced that studies in the school of life will not make questions too difficult, and
that we shouldn't ask Vesikov difficult questions, and if that Vesikov fail, then the school would be placed in an awkward position. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Next question will be this Shubhangi. Shivani 1087. How did the teachers handle? Yes, Shivani 1087.
How did the teachers handle the horrid behavior of Voskov during re-examination? Give examples.
Okay, you know this thing that during re-examination, this Vesikov used to call teachers by different names. He tried to make them aggressive. Okay, उसने बड़े अजीब से नाम से बोला टीचर्स को, और वो चाहता था कि they should become aggressive and they should fail him. तो उसने बहुत अजीब जैसे नाम से टीचर्स को बुलाया. But the teachers ने क्या किया? They handled his horrid behavior. उसका जो misbehavior था, indiscipline था, teachers handled. Okay, how did the teachers handle? कैसे उन्होंने handle किया? And give example. थोड़े examples दो शिवानी, and then tell how did the teachers handle? कैसे उन्होंने handle किया Vesikov के misbehavior को? कैसे किया बेटा? Yes, anyone else? Anyone? Shivani, try to give its answer. थोड़ा सा तो गलत बोलो, but you should speak. ये शिवानी. देखो उसने you know this thing that he called his physics teacher as cannibal. अब अपने उसने physics teacher को he called him cannibal, means नरभक्षक. उसने अपने teacher को बोला, he called them loafers. He called mathematics teacher old stick in mud. ये बोला था उसने. History teacher को उसने मंद बुद्धू बोला. numbskull उसने numbskull था ना, उसने अपने teachers कितने different names से बोला, but teachers ने उसको बहुत handle किया. बहुत how did the teachers handle? Okay, कैसे किया उन्होंने handle उसको? इसका बहुत इजी सा आंसर है that yes यामिनी.
Ma'am, the teachers handled Vesakov by patience and, for example, when the Vesakov called his physics teacher as ma'am नरभक्षक को क्या बोलते हैं?
Cannibal.
He handled himself as with very patience and smiled.
Okay. Now, देखो बेटा, this was answer. Your answer is correct. That the teachers handled his horrid behavior with calm and patience manner. Okay. बहुत उन्होंने शांति से उसका behavior handle किया because they wanted him to pass the examination. Now, beta, this question number 4 up to question number 4, I will send. Okay, this will be your today's homework. And question number 5. Listen, students. Question number 5, you will do yourself, and you will send your homework to me under assignments tab. Okay. अब students कितने class लगाते हैं? 40 तक students class लगाते हैं. भेजते कितने homework हैं? 15 students homework भेजते हैं बस. ठीक है. और 15 में 2-3 students ऐसे होते हैं जिन्होंने खाली भेजा होता है, not attempted, they have not attempted the answer. वो student भी होते हैं. आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है? फोटो खींचो डाल दो. पर किया होगा तब तो आप डालोगे, जब किया ही नहीं होगा तो कैसे डालोगे? तो listen to me. This is your homework. Question number 5 you will do yourself. बस इतना सा तुम्हारा homework है. उसमें से भी 1 page you have done in the class. क्या बचा आपको? 4 questions बचे करने को. तो homework should reach me up to 8 PM. Okay. Now anything you want to ask? Anything you want to ask? सब आ गया समझ में? अक्षय चौधरी को, अर्पण को, अर्पण 1183. You don't want to ask anything? Okay. So do you don't want to ask anything? Okay. ठीक है. कल हम listen. Tomorrow we will do question number 6 and question number 7.